The transfer function of a tachometer is of the form. 4 answers are given. You have to find the correct answer. Tachometer means it measures the velocity. Output is voltage. That is, E of t is proportional to d theta by dt, derivative of displacement, that is velocity. This implies that E of t equal to k times d theta by dt. If we take Laplace transform on both sides, we will get the E of s equal to k s theta of s, assuming zero initial conditions. Therefore, the output by input equal to ks. Therefore, the transfer function of tachometry is of the form ks